Hi, my name is Tim Hogg. I'm the IT manager for Hogg Networks, as you guys all know. Today we're going to talk about our customer relationship manager CRM proposal. Um, Thank you very much for attending, and here we go. So first of all, why CRM? Uh, so as you guys all know, our business has been growing, and so as it's grown, we need to develop some better business practices, and we need to develop a better integration between key departments to deliver products to our customers faster. So an example of that is sales needs a more efficient way to enter orders and track customer data. Customer support and the product teams need access to the same data in order to track how well our products are doing and also note any kind of customer issues. And accounting also needs some better access to track orders and pay commissions more efficiently. So why now? As I said before, everybody knows our business is growing, and while we have great growth, it can also turn into a quick liability if we can't handle it. So CRM allows us to be scalable as we need to. It allows us to bring in additional resources. We've got the new warehouse in Kenosha that's coming up, so this allows us to be more expeditious in our model. It allows us to track live inventory. So now when sales has a problem, they got to call down to the warehouse and the warehouse has to jump off the line to check where certain things are. That's super inefficient. So this will help us to get more efficient because they can actually just look in the system, see where things are. Um, the ERP will make our IT operation flow more smoothly because the majority of applications that users will have, they're all a function of the new CRM, which is under one umbrella. Um, and the CRM will allow us to connect our business while we grow and prosper there. So the solution that we chose as a team was Microsoft Dynamics CRM, sorry. Uh, and really the four main reasons were, it will integrate smoothly, obviously, with our current O365 tenant. So we're building a lot of things out there now. So this kind of just is a nice couplet into that. Data intake from our QuickBooks Enterprise system makes for a more efficient order processing and overall accounting. More automation, which obviously we in IT, we like to try to automate as much as we can because right now we've got a lot of coding problems and development issues because system A doesn't talk to system B, and we have to build manual custom code in order to get those two to communicate with each other, and that gets really expensive. The other big advantage that I was really excited about is that we can actually outsource the majority of this work to another company so we can continue to do our job here at the network and really make things kind of go smoothly while they're building the CRM on the side. And then we'll slowly start cutting it over department by department. So that's a really big advantage for us. But I also want to talk about some of the not big disadvantages, but some of the things that caused us a little bit of concern. Again, back to the Microsoft thing, like we don't want to be so reliant on Microsoft. So that was one of the issues that was brought up. The training curve for employees with this will be longer, but you get that really with any kind of ERP system. And the features and integrations are still really heavy Microsoft. You'll see a lot of Microsoft applications. So we're still in that real Microsoft world. Licensing is based on your user count instead of just one overall licensing fee, and then any integration costs that you might come up with. But that's pretty standard across all CRMs. Um, and then the cutover to Dynamics will likely take months. And that's really because we really want to focus on training everybody and making sure that they're all doing a good job as far as that stuff goes. So implementation plan, just real quick to highlight this stuff. Each line of business, as I discussed before, will get their own they'll get their own business requirements. So we'll cut over everybody as they're ready. We're not just going to do this in like one on Friday, one group will come in, everybody comes in, and on Monday, it's a whole new system. So we're trying to get away from that. And does anybody have any questions based on that? All right, I'd like to thank you guys for taking your time out today, and hopefully this presentation was of value to you. Thanks.